Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Poll Everywhere app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Poll Everywhere is a real-time audience response app designed to help presenters, teachers, and teams engage people through interactive polls, quizzes, word clouds, and Q&As. It works directly through the web and mobile devices, allowing participants to respond instantly without downloading anything. The app integrates with tools like PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Keynote, making it useful for classrooms, business meetings, and live events. Its main feature is live polling. You create a question, share the link or code, and responses appear instantly on screen as people vote. You can choose from multiple question types such as multiple choice, open-ended, clickable images, ranking, and surveys. It also allows moderation tools, response history, and customizable visuals to make presentations more interactive and professional. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its smooth integration with presentation software, instant updates, and ease of use for both hosts and participants. Educators often use it to increase student participation, while businesses rely on it for training sessions and team decisions. The platform is considered reliable for large audiences and formal events. However, there are some drawbacks. Many advanced features, including detailed reporting, higher participant limits, and branding options, require paid plans. Some users also mention occasional lag with very large audiences, and the web-based approach may depend heavily on stable internet connectivity. The free plan can feel limited for frequent professional use. In summary, the Poll Everywhere app may be worth using if you need a reliable, engaging tool to gather live responses, improve audience participation, and enhance presentations. However, if you need advanced analytics, large audience support, or extensive customization, you may need to consider a paid plan or alternative tools. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.